In 2024 we delivered 10 units of 50 kVA single-phase pad-mounted transformers to a customer in Jamaica. Each transformer was designed and built to meet IEEE standards. The transformer is built with copper windings for strong electrical performance. The transformer is equipped with an efficient ONAN cooling system, complemented by high-quality mineral oil and low PCB level, thus ensuring safe and environmentally friendly operation. About the protection system, these transformers have a bayonet fuse, a current-limiting fuse kelp, and a pressure relief device. These parts give protection against overcurrents and lower the risk of damage from short circuits or other faults.